Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about favicons. You know that tiny little icon that shows up in the browser tab next to your site name? It's small but it makes a big difference for branding. If you are using hosting or websites builder, adding a favicon is super simple. Let's walk through step by step. First, head up into your Hostinger dashboard and launch the website builder for your site. Once inside, click on the little gear icon. Yep, that's your settings panel. Inside settings, scroll down until you see a section called Favicon. Expand that little menu. Here's where the magic happens. Click on add image if you haven't uploaded one before, or replace image if you are swapping out an old one. Now choose your favicon image. A quick tip: make sure it's a square image and preferably a .png or .ico file for best results. Once it's uploaded, you will see a little preview of how it looks. If it's showing correctly here, you are good to go. Don't forget to hit save at the bottom of the settings panel and then click update website to push the changes live. And just like that, your favicon is live. Now your site has that polished professional look right in the browser tab. Need help customizing anything else in Hostinger? Drop your questions below, and don't forget to like and follow for more quick website tips.